America's Vice President J.D. Vance urging to avoid broader regional conflicts. That's the latest that's coming in from the United States of America. The Vice President says hoping for a cooperation from Pakistan as well. U.S. Defense Secretary pledging support to India. Remember, this is very important. Unlike any other time in the past few decades even, look at how the USA has been consistently reporting every day. There's a new statement that is coming in, whether it's starting from Donald Trump himself to the administration officials, Kash Patel, Tulsi Gabbard, then the Secretary of State, Defense Secretary Moe, and then comes in Vice President again. Let's listen into what is J.D. Vance saying.
Sure. I'm worried about any time you see a hotspot breaking out, especially between two nuclear powers. We've obviously been in close contact with our friends in India and Pakistan. Our hope here is that India responds to this terrorist attack in a way that doesn't lead to a broader regional conflict. And we hope, frankly, that Pakistan, to the extent that they're responsible, cooperates with India to make sure that the terrorists, sometimes operating in their territory, are hunted down and dealt with. That's how we hope this unfolds. We're obviously in close contact. We'll see what happens. I'm worried about any time you see a hotspot breaking out, especially between two nuclear powers. We've obviously been in close contact with our friends in India and Pakistan. Our hope here is that India responds to this terrorist attack in a way that doesn't lead to a broader regional conflict. And we hope, frankly, that Pakistan, to the extent that they're responsible, cooperates with India to make sure that the terrorists, sometimes operating in their territory, are hunted down and dealt with.
If you listen carefully to what J.D. Vance has been saying, who's clearly been a friend to India, who has had direct personal meetings as well with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, says that we are in touch with our friends in India. We hope that they'll be able to ensure that the terrorists are neutralized. But remember, as one of the big global superpowers, the USA, as is part of protocol, is saying that I hope that India and Pakistan can resolve it and together. But very categorical statement that has come in from the United States of America is that they stand united with India in this fight against terror. The USA also not doing if and but when it comes to at least the Pahalgam massacre. This is, remember, in many ways a massive shift. The USA, especially the previous administration, would often tiptoe. There have been, in the past few years, we have seen how the USA would try and get closer to Pakistan. India was often left in the lurch. But if anything that can tell us from the past few days, especially since the Pahalgam massacre, the carnage we saw in J&K, is that USA's top administration officials, I begin with Donald Trump, the president speaking to Prime Minister Modi, then the agency, the FBI chief, all of them consistently one after another giving out statements in support. But remember, that's basically what USA can do. It cannot go beyond that right now. Joining me, Shivani Sharma, for the latest on that. Shivani, J.D. Vance's latest statement. Of course, they want regional stability. India has always wanted that, but we also realize the rogue nation that is our neighbor. How do you see the USA's response in the past 10 days since the J&K carnage?
Pooja, in past 10 days, we've seen almost every day one or the other statement coming in from the United States, beginning right from the president talking to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, then Tulsi Gabbard, then Kash Patel, and J.D. Vance also making timely statements. And yes, parts of India and United States have held in this regard. But the latest statement about J.D. Vance, the Vice President of the United States, remember he was here in India when this attack happened, and he has witnessed the reactions of India, the worries and concerns of India. And now he has said that Pakistan must cooperate in hunting terror. And he is acknowledging that this terror comes from Pakistan.
Stay on with me, Shivani, because I do believe and I hope that the world community realizes this time what India has been fighting against for so long and needs the world's support.